Step 1 is to get your phone. Step 2 is to click play and watch a YouTube video. And step 3 is to get paid real money and real cash straight into your account. All you have to do is watch YouTube videos like this one you're seeing right now. How great is that? And you can get paid money in the same way, as you can see here, with $100 sent directly to your account. This is very easy and simple for new beginners who have never made any money before, and it is completely free. You will not have to spend any money to accomplish this, and the good news is that it's available worldwide. Now in this video, I'll show you everything step by step, including how to sign up for a free account and a variety of bonuses that can help you earn even more money, up to triple your money. Therefore, make sure you pay attention and watch this video all the way through. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the Everyday Money, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. So first and foremost, I want you to go to this website, followfast.com. Essentially, this service allows you and me to earn money online simply by viewing videos. Take a look at some of the most recent withdrawals. They'll show you that actual money is being cashed out every day by people from all around the world. Take a look at this. It's only today, and we can see how open they are about showing you how much money you're earning and how much you can pay out. Take a look at all of these people right here from various countries who may withdraw their money into their bank accounts, PayPal accounts, or whatever payment methods they like. Now, I want you to carefully follow each step in this video so that we can begin making money. Now, once you've arrived at the homepage of followfast.com, I want you to click on the join button right here, and you'll be taken to this page where you can register for free and create an account. Now, first and foremost, you can simply enter your username, email address, password, and confirm your password once again, and the location. It will automatically detect your location right here, so don't worry about that. And the good thing is that they accept people from all over the world. So right here, we have to put the CAPTCHA. You are free to type whatever numbers you see. In this case, I simply type whatever numbers appear on the screen. Now, once I've filled up all of my information, I'm simply going to click on these blue join buttons right here. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see something similar to this. Don't worry, you can do this on your phone or on your computer. Now, take a look at these on the top. As you can see, your account is not confirmed yet, and you must confirm your email in order to pay out your points. And that's all you need to start fully setting up your account. So when you get to your dashboard's homepage, I want you to go in and click on these YouTube buttons. Place, likes, dislikes, and subs can all be found here. Now, as you can see when you arrive at this page, I want you to click on this red button right here that says play. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page to see where you can start watching YouTube videos and earning money online. Now here's the first piece of advice I have for you. Please pay close attention because in order to gain points, you must watch the videos on YouTube for at least 35 seconds. You can now convert your points into cash once you've earned them. So in this example, if you want to watch the video, you may earn points by doing so. All you have to do is click on the blue play button right here, which will lead you to the YouTube videos as shown here. When you return to the website, you'll notice that the countdown has begun for 35 seconds. So once these count down from 35 seconds to 0 seconds, you can earn 90 points by simply doing that. This means you don't have to actually watch the video because you can pause it right there on the website. Go back to the website and wait until the time countdown finishes, and then you can earn points by doing this trick. Now, as you can see on my new account, which currently has points from merely watching videos, I'll show you another example in a moment. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now if I go down farther, you'll notice points right here. Go ahead and press the play button right here, and I'll take you to this YouTube video again. I simply paused the video. I didn't actually watch them. Instead, I returned to the website where you can see the countdown is starting. It's counting down 35 seconds till you are paid, and all you have to do now is, well, wait. As you can see, the points have been added to my account. You can view as many YouTube videos as you want. It's actually incredibly simple and easy. They'll keep refreshing for you over the next few days. So right now, I'd want to give you another additional tip that will help you quickly double or triple your money. For example, if you want to get points by watching this video, you can open a different tab on your phone or computer and view the second video to earn another points. And you can watch both videos at the same time. That is, you do not have to waste 35 seconds of your time by watching a single video. Instead, you can open as many new tabs as you like and view as many videos as you want, including 5, 7, or even 10 videos at once. So, to give you an example, let me do it right now. Let's say you open a new tab for this movie and click on the play button right here. Then you open another tab and watch the second video by just clicking on the play button once more. As you can see, I'm going to watch one video and then another video at the same time. And as you can see once more, I can go back to this page and start the 35-second countdown for the first video. And then the second video will start the countdown again. So by watching a lot of YouTube videos and making a lot of money much faster than other people. This is a very cool and extremely efficient technique for you to watch 5, 10, even 20 videos at the same time. As you can see, the credit points were added to your account immediately. When I returned to this page, points were added to my balance. You know, watching 10 or 20 videos at once is a pretty cool, very good approach to generating several streams of money. So right now, I'd like to give you another additional tip. While you're watching YouTube videos like this one, go to the gear setting right here and change the playback speed from normal to double. Simply click on the 2 here and we'll be able to play the video twice as fast, which means you'll be able to make money faster. You may view a lot more videos and earn a lot more money online if you work hard enough. Another bonus step I'm going to give you is that if you go to the quality area right here and choose automatic, you can also actually slow down to 144p right here so we can watch on the low quality and save a lot of time and data on your mobile phone. So you'll be able to view a lot more videos and earn a lot more money. So now let's move on to the next bonus tip. When you click on this daily bonus buttons, you'll be taken to a page where you may claim daily or hourly bonus points. You can gain 100 daily points by just checking into your account every day and watching 50 videos, or you can view 15 videos and get 100 daily points by doing so. That's a significant number of points. Now, for example, by watching this video, you can only earn about 4 points. But after we acquire this bonus, we can easily earn 100 bonus points. There is also an hourly bonus where you gain extra bonus points and 25 points every hour by simply watching free videos. So these are just a great opportunity by simply heading to the daily bonus section and watching more videos. You could be paid hourly or receive daily bonuses. Finally, if you want to cash out your money, simply click on this cash out button right here and you'll be taken to a website where you may select the payment option to cash out your funds. You can cash out using PayPal, Perfect Money, and Bitcoin, for example. If you don't have this option right now, don't worry. You can get cash through a variety of methods. As you can see, they accept people from all over the world and accept a variety of payment methods. So basically, after you gain points by simply watching videos, you can convert those points into actual money, and all you have to do is earn roughly $1.50 to cash out your money. This is the minimum payout system, which means that once you earn $1.50, you can cash out or withdraw your money from your account, and all you have to do is wait 3 to 5 business days to receive your funds. It's that simple. And these are basically unlimited videos that you can simply watch and earn money online every day. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.